I tried turning on the camera like a bunch of times and I already caught the fish. Nice little rainbow. I'm gonna let him go though. There you go, buddy. There we go. So I caught that. On this setup here. One of my favorite Rapalos. Yeah, so anyway, that was kind of fun. Been a while. It's 12:42. There's a bunch of big fish on the fish finder right here. Oh my God, they're huge. So I caught one on the Rapala and one on the burnt orange fly. They're both running behind Dodgers. So, I don't know. Slow, but still fun. If I don't catch a bunch of trout, if I don't catch any big trout that keeps my interest, then I'm going to switch to, on the way back in, I'm going to switch to trying to catch bass like I did last time I was here, because that was pretty fun. Okay, I have no idea how far I let that out. All right, see you in a little while.